guys, first the day dinner. This is boneless chicken thigh. Just boneless chicken thighs. And I just want to marinate before I put on the oven. I'm using tomato paste, yellow mustards, salt, pepper, and chili flakes, and some lemon. Guys, the lemon. And also garlic. It's also garlic. So guys, this is the one, guys. Garlic, mustard, olive oil also. Olive oil, tomato paste, and mustard, salt, pepper, and mix it. Mix lang natin, guys. Just mix. So I need to put more olive oil. Guys. And some salt, guys. Salt. Ouch, it's too much. Just mix. After mix, guys, just wrap. So I just marinate this for 2 hours, then put on the oven 20 to 25 minutes until cooks. So after that, guys, after this, I just want to put inside the shallot. Cut the shallot on top. So I don't have the shallot, so I just use red onion substitute of that, guys. Just like this. And thanks for watching, guys.